Morning, everyone. Where's Lindy going?
Scared. My legs.
Your face. Give me your beautiful.
Smells like dance cake.
It isn't. Ang ating baby girl ay punta na ng kindi. Nilalagyan ko lang ng sunscreen. Alrighty. Good to go. Here's your water bottle, anak. Yeah. School na si Inday. Inday Badiday. I love your dress.
Going to one side.
Yeah, for some reason, itong kulay na to, parang nagko-complement sa skin ni kayong mangging balat ng ating baby Celine. Ito ay Pinoy na Pinoy ang balat, pero ang kanyang buhok ay brown. Hindi na kami nagdala ng bag kasi andito siya kahapon. So, pag Monday nandito siya, Tuesday nandito din. So, iniiwan na lang namin yung bag niya.
A few moments later.
Pack natin itong mga nabenta natin last night, guys. So, I sold this shirt. Pang men's pala ito siya. Brand new with tags. Yan. It's going to Perth. This one. Actually, may napack na akong isa. And this one naman, papuntang South Australia, if I'm not mistaken. And then, i-ready natin yung iba kasi mamayang hapon, may mag-pick up din ng mga bags. So, after nito, aalis din kami agad ni Daddy Mike, guys, kasi sobrang busy ng araw natin ngayon. And, I thought na magpa-vlog tayo para ma-document natin yung mga ganap. So, meron kaming very exciting news para sa inyo, guys. Very exciting para sa amin. So, hopefully, sa mga sumusuporta sa amin dyan, very exciting din para sa inyo. Pakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Hindi nyo nakita sa Ate Paris kanina kasi maaga siyang nilalimag sa school. So, anong oras na yung dinrap ko si Baby Celine? Nasanay na talaga tayo sa Baby Celine, kahit na si Celine is turning 5 this year. Bilis ng panahon. So, natapos na itong i-pack. May isa tayo dito na going to New Zealand. So, kailangan to siyang gawa ng customs form online, which Daddy Mike is doing now. So, that's that. And then, mamayang hapon, may mag-pick up ng bags. I'll show you kung ano yung pick upin mamaya. So, first one is this Coach bag. Ang cute niya. Kilikili lang i-try. And then, nakita ko yung loob, guys. Sobrang bet ko yung loob nito kasi it's light pink. Diba? Paka-cute. And then, the next one is another Coach bag, actually. So, ito naman siya. Two-way to siya. So, pwede siyang ganyan. And then, meron siyang longer strap here for shoulder. Ganyan. Just put it here, though. Here, on top of that.
On top?
Yep. Cute. And chiffon. So, ito na nga, guys. Ito na ang aming big news. So, as you can see,
Hello.
As you can see, andito kami sa empty na space. This is not a house though. I'm telling you, this is not a house. But,
it's the next best thing. It's our new shop.
yes. Surprise! So, my shop na tayo. I'll show you later around. But it's just a small space, guys. And we're very happy. Nakuha namin yung keys yesterday. So, we're slowly bringing stuff in here. Oh my God, can you believe it, guys? Pinch myself.
You want anything else?
Maybe...
That's coffee, not good.
Ice latte. Yeah.
Plus,
Just this one. Thank you. But yeah, oh my God, guys. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na we're doing this. Kasi, parang ano guys, parang panaginip pa rin. Alam niyo yun. Parang hindi ko pa rin ma-convince yung sarili ko kahit na nandito na kami. We have the keys and and itong shop natin na to guys, hindi siya malayo sa atin. So, walking distance lang siya sa bahay namin. And then, walking distance lang sa school ng mga kids. Alam niyo naman siguro guys, na ito yung ginagawa ni Mami. Yung ever since, diba, na hindi na ako nag-work, yun na talaga yung ginagawa ko, ang magbenta. And I think it's just in my blood, ang magbenta. So, I can't believe in Brisbane, we have our own shop now. So, guys, if you are in Brisbane, feel free to visit our shop. Although, ngayon guys, kasi kakakuha lang na namin ng keys. So, we're doing the fittings and everything. So, here, give you kung hindi pa ninyo alam guys, a little bit of idea kung ano yung benta namin dito. It's a pre-love designer shop. Pre-owned siya kasi ever since I was a kid, I'm very into ukay-ukay talaga. But this one is just more, parang yung may mga brands. But not the Hermes and Chanel level yet, guys. Kasi darating tayo dyan. But we are starting from the bottom and we will slowly go up. Diba? That's the goal. But yeah, yes, mentioned guys, parang, I don't know, parang naano na yung concept ko guys. Kasi yung utak ko, hindi ko kasi in-expect na mangyayari ito sooner. Kasi ito yung long term na parang goal namin ni Daddy Mike. Everywhere na naglalakad ako sa yung may mga shops, sinasabi ko na sana magkaroon ako ng kahit ganitong space lang para sa mga paninda ko, para ma-showcase ko yung mga paninda ko. Kasi at the moment sa bahay lang kami, di ba? So we just sell online. At tapos nag-market ako per weekend. Ganun. Nakikita niyo naman sa mga previous vlogs ko. And then, parang nata-turn off kami sa mga, yung rent. Kasi dito sa Australia, guys, sobrang mahal ng rent. And then, one time, naglakad-lakad kami ni Daddy Mike dito kasi nga, andito lang to sa namin, sa neighborhood lang namin. And then, we saw that this one is for this. And then, yung next door namin, na naging kaibigan ni Daddy Mike kasi dyan siya bumibili ng coffee all the time. The same owner ng space na to. So he told us about the rent and all that stuff. So nag-inquire kami sa real estate agent. And then we are happy with the rent. So we grabbed the opportunity. So for me guys, I think it's a perfect timing. And I think maybe this is the sign from the universe, sign from God na this is for us. Like, it's something now. Naiiyak ako kasi parang hindi ako makapaniwala na yung bata before sa Pilipinas na nagbebenta ng puto, nagbebenta ng mga kakanin sa school. Parang nagkaroon na ng something na ganito. Parang big achievement siya para sa akin guys. It's parang hindi man sobrang layo pero malayo na. Parang ganun ba? So ano pa, iniisip ko yung, yung nasa Pilipinas ako, na pag gusto kong bumili ng ukay-ukay, gusto kong bumili ng shorts, kailangan pa talagang pag-ipunan yung 20 pesos, yung gano'n na feeling. And then, gusto ko ng bag before, and then yung mama ko, kami yung nagkakat ng mga old na mga materials, mga fabrics na ganyan. Tapos, tinatahi ng mama ko, guys, para may bags ako, gano'n. At ngayon, may shop na tayo for bags and clothing. So, parang, hindi ko pa rin maniwala, guys. Buti na lang pala sa dad Mike dito. Iisipin niyo para akong buwan, guys. But yeah, I'm so happy that we have this. And we will do our very best to make this work. And yeah, we will make this shop looking nice and all that stuff. So kaya nga today, kaya sabi ko, it's a big day today kasi slowly pinifurnish na namin yung space dito. So magtitingin kami ng after this ng register. Ito namin inalagay yung guys, yung parang dito yung bayad dito. And then may nakita na kami. And we will go have a look at it after this. And then ito pinapatungan guys yung kinikerry ni Daddy Mike kanina, pakita ko. Ito siya nabili namin. Ayan, mga paper bags na to sila. So if ever, diba, ready na kami pag may nabenta tayo, meron na tayo mga paper bags. And ano ba yung, mannequin. So after namin pick upin yung yung register, may pick upin sila yung mga paper bags din. Nakikita rin kami paper bags sa marketplace. And mannequins. So we'll see kasi kailangan namin makabalik ng 3 o'clock kasi mag-pick upin sa Ate Paris sa school. So we'll see pag na-insert namin lahat gawin yun from now till then. But kahapon, nag-ano kami dahil kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung pumunta kami dito the first time. Hindi namin na-vlog guys kasi nag-stop ako for a minute na for a moment na mag-vlog because sobrang daming ganap. And nung nandito yung mama ni Daddy Mike and also parang wala na akong time na mag-edit, na mag-vlog. Kaya now, makita niyo yung shop ngayon, napinturahan na siya. Before nung pagkakita namin dito, kakaalis lang nung old na tenant. So medyo pa siya, marami pa siyang mga naiwang mga bagay-bagay dito. But nila na pinturahan na white and all. And sobrang na siya, pwede na siyang maganda na siya tingnan. But this will look much better in the coming months. So now is April. And then we are thinking of opening it around June, July. Kasi the whole month, next month, we're going to do fittings. So if you can see here, I will show you around. Dito sa corner na to guys, maglalagay tayo ng mga shelves para sa mga bags natin. And also racks for the clothing. So I'll show you around. So ito yung front door. So yan siya guys, that's the main road. So as you can see, sobrang daming sasakyan na dumadaan. So it's a busy road. Although, kasi main road siya guys, sasakyan, maraming nakaano dyan. Maraming sasakyan na makikita. But, not so much of the, parang foot traffic na may mga tao naglalakad dito. Kasi, wala talaga siya masyado, but at least, pag alam na ng mga tao na nandito kami, then, they can just stop by and have a look sa shop natin. Ayun, sa Daddy Mike. Ayan, diba? We're showing them, that's where we're putting the shelvings. Tell them, Nai.
Racks.
Yeah, racks and shelvings.
Yeah, rack shelvings. There'll be a display little box here.
Yeah.
Our mannequin here.
So we're getting 2 mannequins, guys. So, one on each side. And then dito, meron maglalagay kami ng parang blocks siya. Tapos, lagyan ng mga bags and mga kung ano-ano. So, parang magandang tingnan sa ating window. And then, we're going to put our sign. Later on, ano ko sa inyo guys yung pangalan ng shop natin. But for now, surprise muna natin.
Yes, I would say here. Actually, how far will this slide up? Alright, so here. Possibly, if anything, like a little bit of greenery here. Like maybe like just an indoor plant.
Yeah. And then we have another glass window dito. So, I don't know.
I think we'll probably just leave this, to be honest. If anything, we can have an individual shelf,
Yeah.
2 individual shelves.
We're
Here,
thinking of putting a mirror here, guys.
a full-length mirror. Here will be there's a counter, which is where like mommy and daddy will be like sitting.
And then, going in, dito merong isang room.
The master bed, the
Yeah. Oh, ito, medyo hindi pa siya magandang tingnan guys kasi i-close nila yan dyan. Ito kasi yung water, ano nila dito. So, lagyan nila yan ng, ano tawag dito? Wall dyan. So, don't worry about that one for now. But the plan here is, dito, kasi ito siyang space na to eh. So, we're thinking of putting mga, ano dito, mga shelvings para sa mga high-end natin na mga bags. So, doon, I'm thinking about like, you know, Coach and yung medyo, mid-brands na mga bags. And then dito, ang thinking na lalagay namin is more, yung may mga high-end na mga brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, mga ganun-ganun. And then this wall, kahapon nakabili kami ng mirror and we're thinking kasi pag nilagyan nila ng wall yan, dito namin ilalagay yung mirror namin na maganda siya na mirror.
You want this wall as well then? Like, I want this wall to be a different color, other than white.
Maybe a pink.
Pink.
Yeah. Or the color that we have for the sign.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I don't want it to be pink. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't think it's pink. I think that'll be like a feature wall. So like a beautiful different color wall, white walls. This here is where we're going to put our ottoman.
Yeah, dito. Maglalagay kami ng parang, dito. May nakita na rin kami, so we will show that to you later. Maybe ma-pick up namin mamayang hapon. But it's like a little, ottoman. So, maupuan ba kung may mga customers na pag may friends na dito makaupo and then tingnan nila yung kasama na dyan mag-try sa mirror. And then we have this space.
This will be accessories. So we put some. You can put like some little like rails along the bottom for shoes. You could have some hooks coming here for like jewelry, etc., etc.
Yeah. Maybe we can do like, because I'm thinking about selling bag charms as well since we're selling bags, right? So we can put like bag charms there. And then this room, we have another room here, little room. This will be the change room.
Which we're planning on taking off this door and replacing it with a curtain.
Yep.
And then
Kasi tingnan niyo, malaki yung change room guys. O, di ba? Very spacious.
yes. And then we can have the mirror on this wall, just simply because. Actually, I need to measure that because see how this is a different wall.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to do. Actually, nandito kami kasi we will do some measurements para make sure na kasya yung mga pinagbibili namin.
But yeah, you'll have like we'll have like the hooks here to hang the clothes, and I think we'll have the mirror here because this wall is very
It's hollow.
hollow. Yeah, which just feels a lot more solid. So yeah, and then the office.
Then, we have the last room here. Ito yung gagawin naming office, guys. So, see, andito pa yung kasi nail spa to before, guys. Or nail salon. So, naiwan pa niya dyan.
That'll be removed.
Take that away. And ito yung binili naming mirror yesterday na sinabi ko. Maganda to siya guys, parang wavy basta super cute. And
So
then,
this sink will be removed as well.
yeah.
And this bed will be removed. And these air conditioners will also be
Yeah, they will
replaced
change.
with new ones.
Yeah. But yeah, it's good to have like the office, ano kasi, sa mga time na nandito yung mga kids and gusto nilang maglaro-laro, ganyan, di ba? So, hindi naman na lagay natin dito sa front kasi ma-distract yung mga customers. So, at least meron tayong room. Tapos, stock room na lang din namin. May mga stock room din namin ilalagay. So, we'll check this. Oh, Daddy, there's big mirror. Oh, that's fun. This is Boyland. Look, it's $50.
Yeah, no, it's not. We've got the mirror already.
Okay, so, itong tinitingnan namin na ganyan, parang register, guys. We'll make sure na magkakasya siya dito. So, it's with top bench. 140. Dali! 140. Oh my god, that's big.
This whole space doesn't need to take all the space. It just needs to be max.
Hang on. So that's alright. That will fit. Because it's the top of the bench. Because it's not the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's like the cupboard in the bottom.
But how far does it come out?
Yeah. Hang on. So that we're safe here. Yeah, we're fine. Even if we start, we'll say. So we'll start from here. Can you hold that with us? So we still have space here. That's okay. We have space here. That's fine. And then what was the next one? The height is 110. So it'll be here. Hello. Sobrang angkat. Huh? It's fine. This is the height.
Well, that's not going to be an issue.
Maybe I'll just put a stool.
Yeah, you just need to get like one of our parcels.
Huh?
You see like one of our parcels.
That's alright. I guess that's the thing. And like,
No, you're above. If you're sitting down on our bar stool, our bar stool's finished here. So you're going to be sitting on top of that, meaning you're like also a bit up.
fine. And then width. Is the 800? The depth. 20. Let's just say 70. That's big.
What? Put it against the wall, because that's where it's coming from.
Yeah, no. Not against the wall because that's the thing, how big it is there.
But,
Huh?
fun.
Because we don't really need so much space, just this bit. So, we'll say I'll stand here, or I'll stand here, it's fine. So it means it will stick up to there.
Yeah.
It's not too big.
No. Because like, what are you going to use what are you going to use this space for, you know what I mean? What are you going to use this little space here for?
People walk around, because dito we will put some, I don't know, racks and shelvings for.
Racks.
Shelvings on top lagi.
Racks, man.
Yeah. No, the racks will be here, but here the racks it's not going to be that high. It's just going to be here. Yeah. So the top will be shelving for the bags.
Yeah.
So that's the one. So I think we're safe with that. Actually, do you want to measure the whole thing here so we know? So we have 180 bucks. We have 180 to play with. Oh my, sorry.
So you got 40.
Huh?
And then you got an extra 40 to play with after you put your
Yeah.
Cameron,
80.
go measure that. That's what you need to measure up.
Organza. Just waiting. That's really nice, Daniel. Gonna put something like that sa shop.
Radio guys, so we just finished picking up or having a look at the counter for the new shop down in Underwood. Went pretty well. We've decided we're going to take it, unfortunately, but it was a little bit too heavy, so we're going to have to come and pick it up. Yeah, a little bit too heavy and big, so we'll come and pick it up on Thursday, courtesy of Jovi's cousin Prince. Were you happy with
Shout
the
out, Prince!
yeah, shout out Prince. Were you happy with the table?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. And price-wise, I think it's the cheapest one that I saw on the marketplace. So, and it's cute. I like the color and I like the shape. So,
For sure. Anyway, we just have to go grab a couple of mannequins now, so we will be right back. See ya. Hello. How are you?
hi!
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah, okay, so that's what's broken
The only one that
on the finger. And are these? Yeah, that's
yeah, everything's like you can take everything off so you can put it in your car easily.
Yeah, for sure. I was just more so if we did, because we got to display these. If we did not have the hand.
is it sturdy enough there? Is it sturdy enough, or is it the surface? You have to push on the other side, but there's a... I'll do it. Here. It's like having two bodies in the car. There you go. So yung mga mannequin natin, guys, they are also pre-owned.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Ayan. Para makasave tayo. Because brand new, they are freaking expensive. Tinanggal ko yung car seat ni Baby Celine kanina para talagang makapasok tong dalawang to. Okay. So, mannequin done. Ayan na ang dalawang babae sa ating backseat. We decided to go with the pre-owned, guys, kasi makakasave talaga tayo. Alam nyo ba, nagtingin-tingin kami ni Daddy Mike. Brand new, 280 each. Yung brand new. And then sabi ko, Daddy Mike, it doesn't matter naman may mga scratch and all kasi bibihisa naman natin yung mga mannequin natin. So hindi na talaga yan siya mahalata. Even the other one of the mannequin, balik yung kanyang yung finger niya, guys. But again, makakasave tayo dito. So kailangan nating maging practical sa pag-fit ng ating shop kasi hindi siya cheap. Alam niyo yun? So, now we'll see if we can make it to the paper bag. Can you put the address of the paper
What is
bag? Before natin pick upin sa Ate Paris. We'll see kasi it's currently 2:10 ng hapon and 3 o'clock alam niyo naman. School pick up, guys. But yeah, I'm very happy. Oh my God. Slowly. Tatapos din to. Here's our ate. Hi, ate. How are you? I love your lips.